Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold fall 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The US EIA recently trimmed its crude oil demand outlook for 2023 by 320,000 barrels per day, with supply also falling by 300,000 barrels. The oil producers cartel OPEC also revised its oil demand forecast for next year, given the mounting economic challenges like high inflation and rising interest rates. Britons are about to experience a record drop in disposable incomes as Chancellor of the Exchequer Jeremy Hunt raises taxes and cuts spending to clean up an economy already in recession. India's foreign exchange stockpile recorded the biggest ever weekly increase in the period ended November the 11th, with a record $14.7 billion surge, reflecting the impact of an estimated $8 billion worth of recent overseas currency purchases by the central bank, amid rising global appetite for local growth assets.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The US 2-year note auction will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The Dutch Consumer Confidence AGE at 0530 GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.